Let's talk shop, folks. In the world of manufacturing, standing still is the same as falling behind. That's where continuous improvement culture, or CIC, comes in. It's about always looking for ways to do things better, smarter, and more efficiently. We're talking about boosting productivity, cutting waste, and making sure quality is top-notch. Think of it like this: even the best car needs a tune-up now and then. CIC is about constantly fine-tuning your operation, making small changes that add up to big results. It's about creating a workplace where everyone, from the factory floor to the front office, is engaged in making things better. Now, you might be thinking, Mike, this all sounds great, but why should I care? Here's why. In today's fast-paced global market, manufacturers who embrace CIC have a leg up on the competition. They're more agile, more adaptable, and better equipped to meet the ever-changing demands of consumers. In short, CIC is about building a better factory, and that means a stronger business, more jobs, and a brighter future for everyone. Now let's talk about two powerful tools in the CIC toolbox: automation and process mapping. Automation is about using technology to do tasks more efficiently and accurately. Think robots welding parts, machines sorting products, or software managing inventory. It's not about replacing people, it's about freeing them up to focus on higher level tasks that require creativity and problem solving. Process mapping, on the other hand, is like drawing a blueprint for your operations. It's about breaking down every step in a process, identifying bottlenecks, and finding ways to streamline the flow of work. This could be anything from reducing unnecessary steps in an assembly line to improving communication between departments. By combining automation and process mapping, manufacturers can achieve significant productivity gains. They can reduce waste, improve quality, and speed up production times, but it's not just about the bottom line. When done right, automation and process mapping can make work safer and more fulfilling for employees. By taking on repetitive or dangerous tasks, machines can free up workers to focus on more engaging and rewarding aspects of their jobs. So, we've covered the what and why of CIC, and we've seen how powerful tools like automation and process mapping can be. But let's be real, folks, change isn't always easy. Implementing a CIC can come with its fair share of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is resistance to change. People get used to doing things a certain way, and it can be tough to convince them to try something new, even if it's better in the long run. There's also the fear factor. Some folks worry that automation will replace their jobs, which is understandable. That's why it's crucial to communicate clearly and often, addressing concerns head-on and showing how CIC benefits everyone. Another challenge is the skills gap. CIC often requires new skills and knowledge, from operating advanced machinery to analyzing data. That means investing in training and development programs to ensure your workforce has the skills they need to thrive in a CIC environment. Finally, there's the cost factor. Implementing new technologies, training programs, and process improvements can require significant upfront investment. This can be a barrier for some manufacturers, especially smaller ones with tighter budgets. Now, don't let those challenges scare you off. Remember, folks, the toughest jobs are often the most rewarding, and when it comes to implementing CIC, there are solutions for every challenge. Let's start with resistance to change. The key here is communication. Be transparent with your employees about the changes you're making, why you're making them, and how they'll benefit. Provide opportunities for feedback and address concerns openly and honestly. To bridge the skills gap, invest in comprehensive training programs. This could involve on-the-job training, online courses, or partnerships with technical schools and community colleges. The goal is to equip your workforce with the skills they need to succeed in a CIC environment. As for the cost, remember that CIC is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with small, incremental changes that deliver quick wins and build momentum. Look for ways to leverage existing resources and explore funding opportunities such as government grants or tax incentives.